What's up, Ninja Nerds? Welcome to Fan Mail Friday. We're in our third week of it, and we're so excited to be back with you guys again. So, we're going to start off reading some amazing fan mail that we got mailed to us today. Went to our little P.O. box and got this mail from Kai from the UK. Let's read what she said here. So it says, Dear Zach and the Ninja folks, I am a nurse working in the post-anesthetic care unit and occasionally in intensive care unit. I watch your videos because I'd like to advance my career. I'd like to do an advanced nurse practitioner course in the next year. I don't know what the equivalent of this position is where you live. That's the same thing, nurse practitioner. Hopefully, and keeping my fingers crossed that I'd be able to do the course. You definitely can because you're a ninja nerd. Your videos are making me motivated to pursue it even more. That's amazing. Thank you for your time and commitment. I'm sure I'm not the only one grateful for your videos. It makes me understand the variations of pathophysiologies in our bodies. I learn better because you explain them well, and I like your colorful board pins. You make learning fun and easy. I am amazed and astounded with your knowledge. You are fabulous. Please continue your hard work and know that I appreciate it very much. I love you guys. Keep safe always. Love, Kai. Aww. Kai, this is so sweet, so awesome, so kind. Thank you for your amazing, beautiful, cute little card and amazing message. It kind of makes me tear up a little bit because I'm just so thankful that we're able to make a difference in people across the world. It's a great platform. So sorry if I got a little choked up, but thank you guys. All right, so let's move on to some of these from the emails here. All right, so forgive me if I say it incorrectly. Marufa Akhtar from Bangladesh. It says, hello, my dear Zach, Rob, and Kristen. I am a second-year medical student from Bangladesh. Ninja Nerd is like a blessing to me. It made me love biochemistry and physiology, specifically those topics which Zach teaches us. I haven't learned to make a big picture of a complex topic and study with that much fun. When I notice my desired ninja topic is in Ninja Nerd, no matter even if the topic is clear to me, I will definitely watch it from Ninja Nerd because I know there's something else I will know. Latest systemic embryology series is what I was looking for. Oh, that's great. Thank you so much, Team Ninja Nerd. Keep loving us, keep helping us. All what you will get from us is love and prayer, which will keep you guys alive forever. Still thinking you all will be very much less. Immense love from deep of my heart, and see you in live session soon. Aw, thanks, Maruf. I appreciate it so much. I'm so happy. Thank you for being so awesome. Thank you for the kind message. Thank you for just being a great ninja nerd and being so dedicated. And I'm glad that our embryology series has been able to help you, and I'm glad we've helped you out in the other studies as well. Thank you so much. It's so kind. Seriously. All right, let's move on to the next one here. The next one here is from Minhas Islam from Bangladesh, another Bangladesh. It says, Hi, Ninja Nerd Authority. It's Minhas Islam, first-year medical student. I would like to thank you a million times for your great efforts in providing us free lectures. Your lectures are extraordinarily superb, I must admit it. Sometimes seeing you makes me inspired to study better. Soon my first professor will be cleared, so when I go to third professor, I will need patho, pharmacology, and microbiology lectures. I will be waiting these 2 years for these lectures videos to be completed. May Almighty bless you. Aw, thanks, buddy. Thanks for all these kind things. And again, we're trying to do our best with the time we have allotted to continue to keep making more and more videos. And if we can reach out into these areas, we definitely will. But thank you so much for taking the time to send this message and the kind words. We truly appreciate it. Thanks, Minhas. And keep safe, bud. Okay, let's move here. All right. There's so many messages from you guys. It's absolutely amazing. Sometimes it's just so unbelievable to think about it, how much of a difference we've made. And so I'm very thankful for that. All right. So the next one, oh boy. Please forgive me if I don't say this correctly. Akriti Dada from Manipal, India. Oh, hey. It says, hey there, Ninja Nerds. A big thank you to all of you working for the channel. I recently got my first year med school results. I got a triple distinction in anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry. That sounds really good. I'm guessing that's like all 3 A's. That's awesome. I can't articulate my gratitude in words when I say how much your lectures kept me going through the days when I didn't understand anything at college. Oh, I'd come back, gather up some courage, and get back with a cup of coffee and Ninja Nerd. Yay. You have such a meticulous approach to even the most difficult topics that I start climbing the ladder of my class. And here I am a year later with 3 distinctions and a 92 out of 100 in anatomy. That's what I'm talking about. That's great. That's so cool. Thank you, Ninja Nerds. I understand medicine better today. I'll help thousands tomorrow. Oh, that's such a cool thing to say. Thank you so much, Akriti. I appreciate that, and I really like that. That's amazing to think about that. Us being able to help one person can help thousands and thousands more. The impact of that is daunting, and just it shakes me to my core and makes me so thankful for the platform that we have. Oh, thank you so much. That was an amazing message. Oh, let's see here. All right, and the next one is from Anuradha Gupta from India. It says, hey, Zach, I want to give a big hug to Ninja Nerd and Ninja Nerd Science. Accept my love for you, Zach, and also for your whole team. I really like the way you teach, the way you convey your knowledge, made topics very easy for me and made the concepts very clear. You were doing such a great job. Hope I would receive your great videos in the future. Thanks for being there for the concepts in the exam time. Thanks again. Oh, that's so sweet. And you know what? It's awesome because you guys may see me in front of the board, but behind the scenes, the people who are putting in a lot of time and a lot of work are Rob and Kristen. These guys are amazing. They're putting in hours, coming in, filming, drawing, editing. So I'm so thankful to have them by my side, helping me to get through this challenge. And again, building something for you guys. So again, I'm so thankful again for you guys recognizing my team, my amazing team, and Rob and Kristen. So thank you guys. All right. Let's see here. Rosario Greco. Please forgive me if I didn't say that correct. Let's see. She is from Italy. Italiano. I have been watching your videos for quite some time, months, and I don't think it would be easy to stress enough how much your content has helped me to grasp many different topics. I really appreciated the straightforward, accurate, and interesting way Zach explained everything. I look forward to your future videos, and I'll try to spread the ninja way to my friends and support you guys. Keep going. I'm a second-year medical student. Oh, thanks, Rosario. That's so awesome. And I'm so happy that we're able to help. And I'm so glad for your the time that you took to write that message. It means a lot. Thank you so much. All right, we got another one from Alina from India. Alina, from Jordan. All right, awesome. She says, I'm studying in biology, and I will graduate this semester. Congratulations. That's awesome. Thank you for your videos. You saved me many times, especially in hematology and immunology. I will keep supporting you even after graduation. Good luck. Any support, we truly appreciate it. And again, we're so thankful. So thankful for you guys. And you guys just spreading the love, telling other Ninja Nerds, telling other people about our channel, helping them and telling them to, hey, like this video, subscribe, comment. That right there is so much help, more than you could ever imagine. So if you guys continue to do that, that's more than we could ever be thankful for. So we appreciate that. All right. Let's see here. Another one. Gabriela from Brazil. Med student. I really want to thank Ninja Nerd for the amazing classes. Why are they so amazing? I don't know. I guess we just got a great team here at Ninja Nerd. Because they connect histology, cellular biology, anatomy and physiology, making the whole system to make sense. Not only a part of it, and with the amazing and reliable information. Sweet. You answered the question for you, so that's awesome. Please, I need you to post classes of all subjects of med school so I can keep trying to be an A student. I can only say thank you because you guys are a big part of all I learned in med school. Sorry for the English, never wrote a letter in this language before. Well, that's pretty darn good. Probably better than my own English writing, to be honest with you. And yeah, we're gonna keep pushing. We're gonna keep trying to do more and more topics as often as we can. So thanks, Ninja Nerds. All right, so one last one here. Let's see here. Robert Zalkowski from Germany, Bulgaria, and to the States. So I think they might be in the United States now. Let me read here. It says, hey, Ninja Nerd Science. I'm not very sure where exactly we met. It must have been around 2 years ago, with me being an anxious German medical student in Bulgaria. On the way of learning for some exam, I think I met your videos for the first time. I immediately subscribed to your channel, and since then your videos have been a huge lifesaver. I remember dreading biochemistry a lot. That's when the first time I skipped university lectures to see your lectures regularly. I think it is the simplicity or the way how you simplify the concepts to make them more understandable. One can still watch the video a second or third time and then consult more sources or read a book, but no source can give the basic medium to base or grow further knowledge on the way you do. Well, biochemistry is done now. More subjects will come, and I will continue to visit your lectures to understand the concepts of medicine. As we're all together progressing in our medical education, I'm looking forward to hearing and seeing what this journey is heading to. Hope you are having a good time, and best wishes from Germany, Bulgaria to the States. Oh, that's so sweet, Robert. Thanks so much, man. And again, that's so cool. I'm so happy, so happy that you sent this message to us, because again, what these things do is they ground us. They help us to appreciate what we have and what we know and what we're able to do in the community across the world. And Ninja Nerd is for you. We want to be for you. And we're just so happy that we have such an amazing fan base and amazing support. And we love you and thank you guys so much. But Ninja Nerds, that's going to cover it for this week. If we didn't get to your mail, I promise you we will get to it next week or the following week, or hopefully as soon as we can. You guys are so amazing. We keep seeing more and more fan mail every day. So we're going to keep doing our best to continue to keep reading them and just internalizing them and appreciating them. So Ninja Nerds, we thank you. We love you. And as always, until next time.